Good morning. We're heading to the thing now. So we are a bit early. The tent thing should just arrive in a couple of minutes. But yeah, decided to get some work done, and I mean, life's good. Hey, weather is perfect. I'm very happy. Alright, it is 3:30 and we're pretty much done with the marquees. The wind is picking up, but the sun is even better. Far out, there's sheep coming. Is there a fence? I don't know. I don't think there's a fence. There's apparently 1,000 people coming. Pretty big. Look at this beautiful morning. Absolutely insane. Stages are all set. Getting some brekkie in, and then I don't even know.
21 hours a week, isn't
It doesn't actually look that big from up here, but it's pretty good. Looking forward for the night, which I probably won't film that much, but we'll see how we go. It's -2 degrees last night, and right now it's probably about 0. It was -1 when we got up. People are working hard. Didn't even have breakfast.
I'll do whatever I want as I want if I want, because I am the king of
Oh, you guys see that too, right?
Shell him. I be your rebel to the devil, I'll sell him. If I type find got up on blue with me, I won't be
Yeah. Oh, good. Yeah.
Yeah, he's fine, man.
Yeah.